We've all been there. You take the perfect snap, you send it, and then you realize you forgot to add text. Since you cannot edit the snap after it has been sent, I'm going to show you a simple trick to get that text on there without having to take the picture all over again. The first thing you need to do is to save the snap to your memories. Go into the conversation where you send the snap, press and hold the snap you just sent, and a menu will pop up. From there, select Save to Memories. This will save the snap to your private collection and it won't alert the other person that you've done it. Now that the snap is in your memories, you can edit it. This will bring up all the editing tools again, including the text tool. Now, you can add text just like you would on a fresh snap. Tap on the T icon, type in whatever you forgot to say, and place it anywhere you want. Once you're happy with the edits, just tap the send button. You can then resend the updated snap to the same person or send it to anyone else you want. It is a quick and easy workaround for a common mistake. And that's a secret fix for adding a text to a snap after you've already sent it. It is a lifesaver when you realize you've made a mistake and don't want to retake the picture.